Welcome friends.
How to make water level indicator at home. BC547 Transistor. Red, green and blue light emitting diode. High watts battery. Battery cap. Let's make the circuit. Same connection. Jumper wire. Circuit is almost ready. For color wire for connections. Red wire connected to all collector of transistor. Yellow wire connected to base of transistor. Green wire connected to base of transistor 1. Blue wire connected to the base of transistor 2. Let's connect the battery connector. Now make a project with water pump. Suppose here is the water tank. And here is the water pump. Let's run the system of project. On the pump switch. Water pump is in running, and water tank water level going to high. Wait for some time. Water level indicator is working. All indicator light is glowing, so tank is in full condition. Let's off the pump switch. Here is a water outlet pipe for water outlet of water tank. When the water out from the outlet pipe, the indicator light off, from upper to lower. Let's see how to. All indicator lights are off when tank is empty. Let's again on the pump switch. Thank you for watching video.
Please subscribe my channel.